Hello everyone, welcome back to online teaching of science lecture. In last lecture, we studied about the diseases like dengue, malaria and elephantiasis. Today we are going to learn diseases like swine flu, AIDS and rabies. Swine flu. Now we will see the reasons of infection of swine flu. First one, infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Second, viruses of swine flu are spread through secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Now you tell me, how the swine flu is infected? Yes, swine flu is infected through pigs and humans, and it is also through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Symptoms of swine flu are: first, difficulty in breathing very much. Second, sore throat and body pains. So, difficulty in breathing, sore throat and body pains are the symptoms of the swine flu. Now, diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of the patient is sent in the laboratory. Means diagnosis of swine flu, how it will be diagnosis? They take the liquid from throat of the patient and sent in the laboratory for the diagnosis of swine flu. Diagnostic facilities are available in National Institute of Virology, that is NIV, that is in Pune, and National Institute of Communicable Diseases, that is NICD, it is in Delhi. So how it will be the diagnosis? The diagnosis means they take the liquid from throat of the patient and sent in the laboratory in Pune, National Institute of Virology, and in Delhi, National Institute of Communicable Diseases. Do you know, first case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009. Swine flu is caused by the virus influenza A H1N1. Persons who come in contact with pigs can contract these diseases. AIDS. AIDS means acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV. HIV means human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Immunity means ability to fight against diseases. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without test in medical laboratories, and ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. Yes, which test is used for the proper diagnosis of AIDS? ELISA test is used for the proper diagnosis of the AIDS. You always remember, AIDS does not occur due to touching and sharing the food with HIV infected person. Yes, it will not affected by touching or sharing the food of HIV infected person, because it is not infectious diseases, or by nursing the HIV patient, means by treating the HIV patient you will not get the HIV. Our behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. Yes, our behavior with HIV infected person should be normal because it is not affected by sharing and touching of the HIV patient. Do you know HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys? According to the National AIDS Control Program and UNAIDS, 80 to 85% HIV infections in India occur through unsafe sexual contacts. Now we will see the infections through the animals. First one, rabies. Rabies. This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of the infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. In this case, virus enters the brain via neurons. And symptoms of the rabies are: first one, fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Means when anytime dog bite is that time the symptoms after the 12 to 12 weeks you seen. Exaggeration in behavior and hydrophobia. Hydrophobia means that victim fears for the water. In next session, we will study about the non-infectious diseases.